Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another new releases video just to show you what we have released in the last couple of weeks in the shop. I just thought I always like to show it on video so you can see it in like less of a static image like you would on say Instagram or on our website. So there's quite a few, so I thought I would just work through them pretty fast, but of course I just wanted to show you. So the very first things are some new foil stickers that we have just released. So you guys have been loving our new foil range where it's just lots of functional or add-on stickers. So I'll just go through everything. The first is on a beautiful pink paper. It's like this really soft blush pink, and we've got some tick icons. So everything comes in gold, silver and rose gold. So you've got just some really nice tick items. You could use tick icons. You can use to, you know, use like to tick off your to-do list, or just have an icon to make sure that you check something off. So those are the ticks in the pink background. Then we have some hearts, which are really pretty, and really you can mark anything using hearts in the pink. So you again, gold, rose gold and silver. And then we have on a white background, so it's white, not clear. Again, you've got the hearts in the 3 foils. You've got the ticks in the 3 foils, like that. And then you have the bows. As you can see, I've already used one. We already have the bows available in the pink background, so you'll be able to find those on our website. They've been really popular, so now we've got them available in white and also in a grey background, as you'll see. So then the last colour is the grey paper. Again, the hearts, which are beautiful, the ticks, as you can see, I've already used one, and the bows. So those are all now available. I just love like these little functional icons that you can really use to mark anything. I really like using this type of thing in my planner. Then we have some more clear stickers, some more script stickers. So you've got day off stickers. As you can see, they are on a clear background. Just peel it up like that. So really good to use as an overlay, used on like a block header or something. So you've got your day off script, you've got important, as you can see I've used it already, and today, and we already have a to-do available in the shop. So you've got your today stickers. And we do have one more foil item, but I'll save that for a little bit because I want to show it in conjunction with something else. Okay, and then some of the stuff we released last week. The first thing was our new revamped Happy Birthday kit. So let's just go through that one first. So we did have an old one, but we thought it was time to revamp. So this is our new birthday kit. You can obviously use it for your birthday or anyone else's. This is the first functional sheet. Again, same format, heart checklists, sidebar box, appointment labels, sidebar, headers, and then lots and lots of functionals and 2 habit trackers. Then your second functional, to do today headers, faux foil headers, more appointment labels, bill dues, loads of icons and 2 weekend banners. Then your really pretty full boxes. So you've got your birthday cake and just kind of chilling out, which is something that I like to do on my birthday. Presents, cupcake, kind of like more getting ready scenes. And then you've got your block headers down below, but I just love these colors. And then the other foil that we did also release are these birthday overlay full boxes. So they just have confetti and hearts and stars coming down, and we just thought it would be a really nice addition to the birthday kit, because I think when you're planning out your birthday week, you kind of have to go all out. So we thought these overlays would work really well on these boxes. So again, they're available in gold, silver and rose gold. But yes, a really nice addition. And then you have your to-do boxes, another sidebar weekly box and appointment labels. You have your half boxes, quarter boxes and little things. Then your really cool bottom washi and washi strips. And then your date covers and deco, and you also have a little happy birthday banner there that fits exactly in one of the Erin Condren vertical boxes so that you can mark your birthday. And then you've got like cake and champagne, cupcakes, lipstick, all of that stuff associated with birthdays. So that is the full kit. Then you have the personal size kit. So you've got all of the same elements, your side washi, and then your 4 full boxes. You do get a little bit of deco included in this personal sheet as well. So that's the personal for the birthday. And then we also released a birthday monthly kit. So not only can you celebrate the week of your birthday, but you can celebrate the whole month of your birthday, because why not? So this is the monthly. It's just got birthday month up the top. It's the same artwork as the weekly kit. You've got deco for this one as well, and then lots of like full boxes that you can use to decorate, you know, around the monthly. And then just this is like a double box, like 2 full boxes next to one another, because, you know, different months differ with what boxes are included in the month in the Erin Condren and ones that you want to cover up. So I just thought I'd do some individual boxes. And then you can see this is the other side of the top header. So you've got your cupcakes and champagne, some washi strips, appointment labels, date dots, and all of your icons and functionals. And then your sidebar, all your sidebar boxes here, bill dues, paydays, and more appointment labels and sidebar headers. So that's made for the Erin Condren Life Planner. And then we have the smaller one, which you can use in ring band planners, personal size, or your traveler's notebook. So you do get some side washi headers, some date covers, lots of these different sized full boxes, your date covers, and then you've got deco coming down here, paydays, half boxes, quarter boxes, your icons, and lots of like smaller flags and arrows. So that is the smaller monthly kit. So that's all for the birthday collection. I hope you guys really love it. Lots of you have been picking it up already. And then the other new release we had last week was the Beauty Guru, which I really love how this turned out. So if you're into beauty or makeup or stuff like that, then this is the perfect kit for you. And I really enjoyed drawing this. So you've got the really pretty colors like the fuchsia and the purple with some of these corals. First functional sheet, second functional sheet with these really pretty Hello Weekend banners. Then your full boxes, which are my favorite. So you've just got lots of like flat lay makeup items. This girl with her avocado mask on, with nail polish, your little dressing room or beauty setup, like trying out swatches. I just think it just encompasses all things beauty. And then your block headers. Then your to-do boxes and sidebar, weekly sidebar box, appointment labels, half boxes, quarter boxes, little things, your bottom washi and washi strips, and then your date covers and deco. And you've got like eyelashes and blush and brushes and all that cool stuff. So that's Beauty Guru. And then the personal size, which just looks like this with the 4 smaller full boxes. So that was Beauty Guru. And then this week we also released 2 more kits. So the first one is called Blooming, which I absolutely love the colors and all of the florals. And I just saw this clip art and I just fell in love with it and had to use it. So this is your first functional. As you can see, it's very floral and just really pretty feminine colors. Then your second functional sheet. Then your really pretty full boxes. You've got the 2 girls, all of the florals, butterflies, and the quote just says, give yourself time to bloom. I think I'm going to be using this kit this week. To-do boxes, side box and appointments, all the same. Half boxes, quarter boxes, little things. Your really pretty bottom washi and washi strips. I'm so in love with this. and then your date covers and deco. So for all of you in the Northern Hemisphere, it'll be perfect for spring. For us here in Australia, it's still pretty nice temperatures, so it's still perfect for us to use, even though we're ending summer soon, but the temperature's still really nice, so I'm definitely going to be using that. And then the personal size, which just looks like that. And then we also released our Easter kit, which I'm really happy with how it turned out. So these are the colours, so you've got like your duck egg blue and your kind of lime green, and then some purples, all of your functionals, your second functional sheet, these full boxes. So we wanted to do an Easter kit, but we didn't want to go kind of full out cliche Easter. We wanted it to be a little bit more subtle. So I'll just show you guys. Even, I don't know if you can see, you've got this really cute little cat with her bunny ears on. Then you've got this girl holding eggs in her basket, some chicks with some fashion books. You've got a little bunny here in this interior scene. So it's still Easter, but it's more of a subtle Easter theme. Look at that. Then your to-do boxes, your half boxes, quarter boxes, your bottom washi where you've got these bunny silhouettes, then your deco where you've got like the bunnies and the kitten and the chicks and the eggs, so you can really make it more of an Easter theme. So that is the full kit, and then you've got your personal, and then for the washi I just put like the bunny and the chicks going along because I thought that looked really cute. So that's the Easter kit. And then lastly we have 3 revamped GP girls. So they used to be available in our shop, but we've revamped them, updated them, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. So the first one is our errands girl. So she's just got, you know, bags on her shoulders, looking a bit flustered because all the errands she has to go on. So you've got it in Alice, Bobby and Charlie, the 3 different skin and hair tones. Then you've got your new party girl in her party dress, looking ready like she wants to go for a dance in those 3 skin tones. And then you have payday girl, so she's fanning herself with all of her money. I think she's really sassy. So you've got Alice, Charlie and Bobby. So those are all the releases. I know it's a lot, but hopefully you guys love everything. Let me know what you've been picking up or are planning on picking up soon. And until my next video, I'll talk to you guys then. Bye.